Hey, what's up guys? Bobcat here. So I'm at my yard where I got some logs here, some hardwood logs for firewood, and some nice oak right there. But I pulled out the Jonsered 920, the big dog. Just gassed it up and bar oil, cleaned out the bar and sharpened the chain. Just got a 24-inch set up on it. But figure I'd take a video on it. Oh yeah. They don't make them like they used to. Tell you that. Let's put it up here. There you go. Jonsered 920. 1984. Sweden. Yeah, I made a video on this a while back when I got it. But I like these stickers here. Where they sell them back in 1984. Chainsaw Center. That's the name of the place. That was in South Dakota. Those are pretty cool when those old stickers are on there. But, yep. Is the big dog. Nice, smooth running, powerful saw. Let's see. Show you this side. Yeah, it's only got an inner dog on it. That's how I got it. But got the chain brake. I noticed the two nuts to take the bar off and stuff. These here, none of my wrenches fit. So yeah, I gotta bust out my ratchet and sockets. And but yeah, I don't know, let's see, none of them fit on this Jonsered. Husky and still, but let's see. When I tell you I found every one I had, I mean, look, I checked them all. There, I got one of these things to dress up the bar. But I ended up having to use this for right now. I mean, I did take out my socket set, but I had that available. But yeah, so none of those fit on that. It's crazy. But anyways, there she is. Jonsered 920. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on another video. Alright.